Hi Randy, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. We've been texting back and forth a little bit about your interest in an E350 wagon. Behind me is the vehicle that we have available. This is a 2014 E350 4MATIC. Comes in an iridium silver metallic with a black leather interior. Just a few things I want to point out right from the beginning. You can see our LED headlights up front with our Mercedes-Benz LED intelligent light system. So it's a very proactive system. And then right below these lights, let's check out these parking sensors along the front and the back. So that's a part of our PARKTRONIC system from Mercedes-Benz. I'll get a little into that further into the video. What's amazing about this car, MSRP in 2014 was a few dollars under $70,000. So we're asking nearly half the original price of this vehicle, and it is in absolutely amazing condition. As we come along the side of the car, I want you to notice these 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz AMG wheels. So this is the AMG Sport package. We have a different front lip, our upgraded wheels, and as we come along, you'll see the turn indicators and the blind spot assist on our door mirrors as well. Something else I'll point out further in the video. As we come along the side, we have these chrome along our window frames. Also check out those ski racks. Those are a fit just for this E350, a nice additional extra. And when we come around in the back, we can see our wraparound LED taillights, our E350, and our 4MATIC badging. That's our all-wheel drive system. To open up the trunk, all you have to do is hold down on the key fob. That trunk opens up automatically for you. As you can see, we have our all-weather mats stored in the back here, so this vehicle does come equipped with those as well as the carpet ones. Lots of storage space. Our rear seats fold down as well. To close it up, all you have to do is press this button. You can also use the key fob if you'd like. Coming along the side of the car, you will notice along this bumper more of our parking sensors, so that continues on with that PARKTRONIC system. And as we get into the interior, I do want to point out our keyless go system. So if you have the key in your pocket, in your purse, you press this button right here, the car locks up. There's sensors on all 4 handles, so as soon as you grab that handle, the car is going to unlock for you. When we get into the interior, you can see that black leather with the white contrast stitching, really sporty. The white matches the silver on the exterior, gives it a really nice look. And as we come along to the passenger and driver seats, you can see this beautiful black wood trim continues through from the rear to the front. You can see more of it on the dash as well. This vehicle is very well equipped, a lot of great options. One other thing I want to point out is this panoramic roof. I'll show it on the interior, but you can see these 2 big pieces of glass up top. So let's hop in, take it for a spin. Hi Randy, now we're inside the E350. We can go over all of the interior options at a little more detail. One of the first things I want to point out that I mentioned when we were looking at the outside is this panoramic roof. 2 big pieces of glass, really lets in a lot of light, opens up the cabin. If you want to close them, all you have to do is hit this switch right up front, and that cloth cover will close automatically both the front and the back. I'll point out a few aspects of this car, some things that really make this vehicle special. The first thing I want to point out, like I'd mentioned earlier, is our parking sensors and our PARKTRONIC system. So you'll notice this black bar up front. We have one in the rear as well. And what this is, it's a part of our parking system. So you'll see our rear view camera comes up here. Those parking sensors are going to illuminate orange, 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 red as things come up. So you're pulling into the garage, you're in a parking spot, you're trying to navigate through the city. This system lets you know just how close your front bumper is from something. Could be a close curb, a telephone pole, anything that you're trying to navigate quickly around. To put the car in drive or reverse, you use this gear selector here. Our park button is right on the bottom. And so we are in drive now. We'll take a quick little tour through the dealership. We have just over 69,000 miles on this vehicle, so for a 2014, that's pretty much what you'd expect, but the vehicle is in impeccable condition. All the leather is in fantastic shape. There's no scrapes or scratches or tears on the leather. As I mentioned before, we have this beautiful black gloss wood trim, a chrome strip running along the bottom of the wood trim as well. This vehicle does have a lot of other great features. What I mentioned before is the blind spot assist. So if you take a look at your door mirrors, you'll see that glowing triangle. Right above 20 miles an hour, that triangle is going to turn off, and it will blink when someone's in your rear panel. great on the highway. It's an absolutely amazing safety system. We do have heated seats up front with 3 different temperature settings. Our start-stop button right here is a part of our keyless go system. We have an upgraded Harman Kardon surround sound system as well. A lot of other great features on this car. We have voice controls from the steering wheel, our paddle shifters right here for manual gear changes. We can change the car in different driving modes. We have Eco and we have Sport, so that actually changes how the engine reacts, changes the feel of the vehicle, really gives it a whole different kind of driving style. So Randy, there's a lot of other great features on this vehicle. I'd be happy to go over any of them with you, answer any questions you might have. Give me a call when you get a chance. You can call me right on my cell phone. My number is 207-210-4796, or you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching, Randy. I hope you enjoyed.